morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am going to discuss about first aid. First aid, the initial assistance or treatment given to a casualty for any injury or sudden illness before arrival of an ambulance. Doctor or any qualified person is called as first aid. Means it's the first treatment before the ambulance or doctor is not come. The casualty is likely to be in the need of secondary aid. Principle of first aid. Act calmly and logically, be in control both of himself or herself and the problem. Be gently but firm, speak to the casualty kindly but purposefully. Build up trust through talking to the casualty throughout the examinations and treatment. Avoid giving any misleading informations. Never leave the casualty alone and continue to talk to him or her until the ambulance or doctor arrive. Continuously reassures the casualty. Send the casualty to a hospital or a doctor by quickest means of transport. Always inform the police about serious accident. Inform relatives of the casualty. Job of a first aiders. Always avoiding endangering yourself. Ensure that victim is safe from danger. Check the victim's conditions and assess him or her injuries. Take immediate remedical actions if necessary. Do not allow crowd to form around the casualty. Do too much. Remember that doctor will be coming. Put any unclean dressing or cloth over the casualty. Touch a wound with your finger. Move a patient unnecessarily. Risk burning a patient by using unvapored hot water or other heated object. Remove his clothing unnecessarily. Attempt a precise diagnosis. Forget to send for physician. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt or query, please text me at dis@rpiit.com. So thank you to all of you.